Hi Shashank, hi Shivani, welcome to Glitz Vision. This is your Christmas segment where we want to know your fond memories related to Christmas. So first of all, a small message to your fans, to your viewers of Glitz Vision on the eve of Christmas.
Firstly, Merry Christmas to all of you and
a very Happy New Year in advance.
Happy New Year in advance.
Okay, so we'll start the Christmas segment. So as ladies first, Shivani, what are your Christmas plans this year?
So this year, as such, from past 2-3 years, I've been going to Christmas. I've been going to church for the Christmas mass. But this year it's not possible because I'm shooting here. But yeah, I'm going to bring in the Christmas with my friends somewhere nearby.
Excuse me, I'll be with you, right?
Oh, acha. Yeah, he is going to come with me. We are going to enjoy.
Okay, and Shashank, what about you? Your Christmas
I told you this one,
okay.
I'll be with her and we're going to some Mount Bandra.
Oh yeah. We are going to Bandra. Yeah.
Okay. So Shashank, what is your fondest Christmas memory?
Yeah, as I've studied in convent school, so there are sisters, nuns. We used to bake cakes for all the students over there, and they call us at their place or their church, and we sang Christmas carols and everything. So
Okay.
Oh yeah, one more thing I used to do was 24th afternoon I used to bake cake. Yeah.
Where is it?
Today I'm shooting. How is it possible? So my mom likes Mirinda cake which I made. So that cake is pending. So I might make it tomorrow because I have my off.
Okay. So is this your fondest memory of Christmas, Shivani, or something else?
It's so much of fun. Generally I don't bake. I don't do too much of effort to cook. I love cooking, but it's too much of effort. So when I have off, that time I take little effort to make my mom little stress free and just sit, calm down and chill. I'll cook for you. But Christmas is different because I bake only 3 times in a year, like my mom's birthday, my dad's birthday and the Christmas. That's it.
Okay. A favorite Christmas song of you both which you have to sing it. Any Christmas song?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We
Shashank, you also
wish you
have to
a
sing
Merry
a little
Christmas.
We wish you a Merry
Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Great. Okay, then one specific thing you like about this whole season?
It's cold, firstly.
That's the best one. Right?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's cold and the nights are so pleasant. I feel basically I'm not a morning person, so I love driving around the town in the night.
And you know what? As far as Diwali part is concerned, we have crackers all around. As far as Holi part is concerned, we have colors all around. But as far as Christmas part is concerned, it's all about lights, pastries, hugs, smiles.
Yeah.
So less of sound and more of happiness, I guess.
Yeah, okay. So on the eve of Christmas, do you go for shopping, Shashank?
Shopping.
Yeah.
Depends, yeah. It's not a thumb rule that I have to go for shopping.
You do shopping?
What about you, Shivani?
No. I never shop. I had always planned pre-Christmas shopping, but I've never shopped on Christmas because I feel it's such a waste. Who will leave the Christmas and just go and shop on the streets?
But people do that.
Yeah, people do, but I don't know.
Okay. So if you can ask 3 things or 3 wish from Santa, what would be, Shivani? Any 3 wish from Santa?
I would ask, keep me and my family happy and give me a nice gift. When I'm sleeping, just come and you never come here. When the Santa will come, I don't know.
And
So
What do you want?
a nice chocolate or something.
Okay. And the 3rd wish?
The 3rd wish will be I don't know, just come. I just want to see Santa once when I'm sleeping.
Okay, Shashank, what about you? Any 3 wish from Santa?
Well, as far as materialistic part is concerned, I'm least bothered about it because I'm fit and fine for that. But as far as I want just great health and a power to make others smile and to fill me with more love so I can spread that love in
Spread the love. Oh.
Right. Okay, so you get gifts on this occasion on the eve of Christmas. Any gifts which you still remember, which you have got on the eve of Christmas?
So yeah, I remember one thing. I was 7-year-old. I was literally crying for a cycle. Like, no mom, you have to tell Santa to get me a cycle. I want a cycle. So of course the Santa was my dad. He used to get everything. So I remember I slept that night early, like 24th. I slept around 11:30ish. And my mom used to scare me, like, if you won't sleep, the Santa won't come and you won't get your gift. You have to sleep to Santa to come. I was like, okay, then I slept, and next morning cycle was there in the house and I got all happy.
Okay, Shashank, what about you?
Not big gifts like cycle or bicycle, whatever stuff. Small chocolates I used to get in my school, college days. So that was the nicest feeling, and irrespective of prices or the size of the gifts, it's more of getting. It's like a token of love. So.
Right. Okay, so the last question of the segment, usually they give a message to your fan and all that stuff, but besides Shivani, there's two blackboard, so you have to draw something for your fans, okay? Something for your fans.
Draw.
Yeah, something, little bit. For your fans, which depicts your feeling for your fans, okay?
Wow. Interesting. Huh?
Yeah.
Acha, I also.
Let's see who draws better, okay?
But what we have to draw?
It's okay, any normal, simple
Like,
thing
what
for
do
your
you give to your
fans.
fans, right?
Yeah,
Is it
fans.
not?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
only for your fans. Shivani is still thinking what to do. You got coffee,
Smart.
Shivani, you can't say.
Smart.
Okay, let's start.
That's all I want to give to my fans.
Oh yeah, same piece.
My house.
You have drawing.
That's all I can give to my fans.
Same.
Yeah. What else?
Okay. That's love that you want to give to your fans.
Yeah.